Let's just go full frame on these pictures. There with his close aides, his family, his wife, his daughter was there when he cast his ballot as well. Prime Minister here at a temple in Ahmedabad before he departs. Again, a very short stop in Gujarat. He was there to receive the Prime Minister earlier. He's just cast his vote. He will be... let's see if the Home Minister also speaks to the press like the Prime Minister did, but it's a hot schedule of election rallies and campaign events that the Home Minister is also plugged into, so he won't be in Gujarat for very long. He will be departing very, very shortly. Live images coming in from Ahmedabad. Gandhinagar is the constituency where Amit Shah seeks a re-election for the first time. Poulomi continues to be with us. Poulomi, it looks like the two homeboys of Gujarat are the two headliners this morning on Phase 3. Thanks to voting in Ahmedabad and Gandhinagar. Union Home Minister at the Kameshwar Mahadev Temple in Ahmedabad right now in these live pictures before he jets off for the rest of his campaign in different parts of the country, Poulomi.
That's right. The Home Minister, of course, right after he cast his vote, went into this temple, the Kameshwar Mahadev temple. He's just stepping out of the temple, as you can see, waving out, flashing the victory sign as he steps out of the temple. Of course, his entire family was with him. You see his wife, Sonal Patel, alongside him as he comes out of the temple. Let's try and see if he'll speak with the media. Obviously, it's completely chaotic around here. We have been, of course, cordoned off at a certain distance as well. But the Home Minister there stepping out after having cast his vote, going straight to the temple next door, performing puja over there. And now he is, of course, walking a short bit of a distance here, trying to, of course, meet with the voters as he, of course, steps out, having cast his vote. Like you pointed out, he also has a tight campaigning schedule. He will be, of course, going across the country in order to campaign as well, and that is going to be priority as well for him now that the elections in Gujarat are over. You see the Union Home Minister there walking down now this street which he came down in his convoy, now walking down, probably trying to put some distance between him and the polling station before, of course, he can speak with the media.